Here's some help with tonight's homework. 12-3 word problem practice, circles and circumference. Start by writing down the formula for circumference. C equals pi times d. Pi times the diameter, and pi, for pi we're going to approximate by using 3.14. Actually, when we approximate we use 3, but pi goes on forever, so even 3.14 is an approximation. We're rounding to the nearest hundredth in this case. And let's read this question. A dime has a radius of 8.5 millimeters. We want to find the circumference of the dime to the nearest tenth. Okay, so the first thing I notice is that they've given us radius 8.5 millimeters, and I prefer to have that as a decimal. So radius equals 8.5 millimeters. There is a formula. We could write the formula C equals 2 pi r, or we could just change radius to diameter. We know diameter equals 2 times the radius, so 2 times 8.5 will give us 17 millimeters for the diameter. And then circumference equals pi d, so 3.14 times the diameter, which is 17. And then I'm not going to do all the multiplication. I told you could use a calculator on this homework, but if you did it the long way, you'll get the same answer. Circumference equals 53.4 millimeters. And it's always good to check this. Let's check this diameter, 17. If we approximated multiplying by 3, we would get 21. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 2 is 5. 51 is an approximation for the circumference, and the circumference we calculated is pretty close to that approximation, so that gives us some good confidence in our answer. Okay, number 5. Again, C equals pi times the diameter. The ring system around Saturn has a diameter of 170,000 miles. Find the circumference. So circumference equals 3.14 times 170,000. If you do that multiplication, you get circumference equals 533,800 miles. Again, let's just take a quick look at what would be if we approximated by multiplying by 3. $510,000. That's pretty close to what we calculated using 3.14, so that should be a good answer. Okay, hope that helps with the homework. I'll see you in the morning.